Have you adapted already? So there's a lot to learn here with Craig.
Yeah, it's there's like the training camp. First couple of days is just an adjustment period, getting used to what he likes to run, and it's being around the league for being my fourth year of juniors. I've been able to learn different systems, so it's easy to adapt to different systems and get them right away and learn them right away.
And a spot opened up. There's 6 20-year-olds that allowed in this level, and you found a spot.
Yeah, I found a spot. Like I said earlier, the stars aligned, and I was fortunate enough to get a spot here.
Well, we're looking forward to see what you can add to the Grizzlies, and so far so good.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, best of luck.
All right,
thanks.
5. Yeah, we're good. Going.
Wow, Scotty, we were talking about it earlier on. This has been a great year for the corporate sponsors jumping on board. Everybody wants to be a part of this business too. I think that's fantastic. You've been having a great year so far, and